Straight from the airport, approved in less than an hour, released today. That's the All Cars way. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Let's go to Godarzi of All Cars. Let's go inside the office. And ang daming bag. Ang daming bag, sir. Saan kayo galing?
Colorado, sir.
Oh, straight from Colorado. And you went here.
Yes.
Nakakatuwa naman. And how did you find out about All Cars?
Through Facebook. And then, nag-start na ako na i-check yung mga inventories kasi yung car na gusto ko nandito siya. Ang tinitignan ko kasi is yung history ng sasakyan at yung makakasigurado. So, kaya yung pinili ko.
Thank you for that. And they came straight from the airport, straight from the United States of America, from Colorado. And you're here for vacation?
Yes, yes.
How long?
For 2 weeks.
Oh, nice! Talagang kayo? Talagang balikbayan. So, medyo mainit lang ngayon sa atin.
I know. Oo.
Parang yung commercial, yung talagang totoong pumunta din sila dito, diretso lang, no? So, yung X na bibili mo, you were just final detailing, just gonna sign some documents. And thank you for dropping by. We're very, very happy that you came straight from the airport and nakakuha sila ng approval in just an hour. Ganun kabilis sa All Cars, no? You can actually reserve a car, you drop sa airport, reserve a car, give all the requirements, will have you approved in a few hours. Actually, below 1 hour yon. In a few minutes, no? Come here, release the car. Ganun lang kadali.
At saka nga pala, yung tumulong sa akin through online, so sila yung nagsabi kung ano yung mga document na ipe-prepare ko. So pinrepare ko na while we are chatting. So pina-check ko kung pwede na yun. So sabi na lang may approval na okay na lahat yung document mo. So yeah.
So we're very happy talagang easy peasy, no, when you deal with All Cars. And then later, meron tayo yung raffle natin. So fill it up, hipan nyo para swerte. And hopefully, when you come back next year, kayo manalo na 2025 Vios from a raffle promo. So thank you, sir. What's your name again, sir?
Ramil.
Thank you, Sir Ramil, no, for dropping by straight from the airport. Approved in less than an hour, released today. That's the All Cars way. Have a nice day. So ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Just come to All Cars, buy a car, sell a car, get a chance to win a Vios, and put your raffle coupon in our Magic Tambiolo. So punta na kayo sa All Cars, no mileage tampering, garantisado yan. Have a nice day, guys.